Hey everyone, happy Monday, December 1st. I'm Endrit Sella and this is Capital Markets Quickie. Let's jump into what's driving the week ahead. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. So, we are coming off a strong but short Thanksgiving stretch, and therefore this week is going to feel a lot busier. Yesterday's calm is over, and now investors are lining up for a full wave of economic data and corporate earnings. One of the big stories will be private sector payrolls for November. Those numbers could be one of the highlights of the week, especially because we still have to wait until mid-December for the government's official monthly jobs report, which was pushed back due to the shutdown. We'll also get updates on consumer credit and consumer sentiment, plus fresh readings on both the manufacturing and services sides of the economy. Earnings season is also far from quiet. Several big tech names are reporting, including the customer relationship management leader Salesforce, the cybersecurity group CrowdStrike, and the semiconductor specialist Marvell Technology. And on the consumer side, dollar retailers, Dollar Tree, and Dollar General will give us another look at how Americans are spending. Retailers will also stay in the spotlight after online sales from the entire holiday stretch, from Thanksgiving through Cyber Monday, are expected to hit around $78 billion. At least according to Salesforce. And on Friday, we'll get the first December reading from the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey. Later that same day, the Federal Reserve's Consumer Credit Report could show how much additional debt shoppers are taking on. The ADP Private Sector Employment Report arrives on Wednesday and comes after a stronger-than-expected October reading. And tonight, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will deliver remarks, which markets will watch closely as optimism grows about a potential rate cut when the central bank meets next week. Corporate earnings will continue to drive the narrative. Salesforce reports on Wednesday and could add new energy to the artificial intelligence theme after issuing a strong revenue outlook tied to its AI products. Marvell Technology, MongoDB, and Pure Storage are also set to report and may show further demand coming from AI-related spending. CrowdStrike delivers its numbers on Tuesday after posting an impressive revenue forecast last quarter. Security players, Snowflake and Okta are also on deck this week. And finally, the results from Dollar Tree and Dollar General should offer even more clues about how consumer behavior is shifting. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.